In 1999, food executives met in secret. They knew their food was killing you. They sold it anyway. You think you're addicted to junk food because you have no willpower. You don't. You're addicted because they engineered it that way. In the 1970s, food scientists discovered something called the bliss point, the exact ratio of sugar, salt, and fat that overrides your brain's natural stop signal. You know that feeling when you can't stop eating even though you want to? That's not weakness, that's a formula. And they perfected it. Brain scans show ultra-processed food lights up the same dopamine pathways as cocaine. You're not snacking, you're feeding an addiction they created. Look at the ingredients on that packet. 47 chemicals, none of which exist in nature. You can't pronounce them, you don't know what they are. That's by design, because if you knew what you were eating, you wouldn't eat it. And in 1999, the CEOs of the biggest food companies in the world sat in a room and were shown the data, the obesity rates, the diabetes projections, the cancer links. They saw exactly what their products were doing, and they decided profits mattered more than your health. They increased the sugar, intensified the additives, made the packaging brighter, put it at eye level, targeted your children with cartoon characters, got them addicted before they could choose for themselves. And then they made sure healthy food was expensive. So if you're poor, you eat poison, because the salad costs £4. The burger costs 99 pence. That's not a market outcome, that's a policy. And here's the part that should truly destroy you. The same companies making you sick, they invest in pharmaceutical companies. They need you unhealthy. Sick people buy medication. Food makes you sick. Pharma sells the cure. You're not a consumer. You're the product, being farmed for profit. They poisoned the food supply and then sold you the medicine, and you paid for both. Twice. Stop eating their food, not because it tastes bad, because it's a weapon pointed directly at you.